Are you still troubled by pain and difficulty walking after your knee replacement? If so, my Knee Rehabilitation program, which can be done online from home anytime you like, might be the right choice for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Nathan Johns from the Rehabilitation Medicine Group. I'm a rehabilitation physician, and over the past 7 years I've been researching pain that persists after a knee replacement. Most people after a knee replacement have a good outcome, but as many as 25% of people continue to have moderate to severe pain and difficulty walking more than 6 months after their knee replacement. For them, I've put together, after 7 years of research, an online rehabilitation program that helps treat pain, improve function, and get you back to doing the activities you enjoy. Hopefully this brings an improved quality of life. This program is now available on my website, and it's called NEED.